the coronavirus variant that originated out of Britain could soon become the dominant strain here in the U.S., making the need for vaccinations even more imperative. And of the more than 42 million vaccines administered so far, less than 3 million are known to have gone to residents in long-term care facilities. CBS News correspondent Jonathan Vigliotti has more from a residential care center in Redwood City, California.
We've all heard stories of people waiting in line for hours to get a vaccine. Gordon Manor waited in line for months. They were told they were the priority, especially after 13 of their residents were killed by COVID-19 last year. Instead, they faced a lot of red tape.
Hi.
Alisa Mallari Tu is the executive director at Gordon Manor, responsible for the health and well-being of 58 residents. After COVID tore through her facility last year, she and her team enacted strict COVID protocols. They went about 7 months without a single case. Then 2 residents tested positive in November.
We thought we were following all the precautions. You know, we had been doing this for months.
So to be clear, you're saying that since last spring, you've only had 2 residents test positive?
Right.
That's incredible.
Fear and the threat of coronavirus coming back in is definitely a motivator.
Gordon Manor enrolled in the federal government's vaccine program for long-term care facilities in October. But as that rollout stretched into January,
we had not received any communication whatsoever from anybody about when our turn was. It turns out that Safeway called, and Safeway was able to say, hi, we can come and do a clinic at your facility.
Finally, in late January, all but one of Gordon Manor's residents received their first dose of the vaccine before officials with the federal vaccination program even reached out. Among those vaccinated, 91-year-old Yolanda Baldini and 99-year-old Eunice Dalla Costa. They're sisters and roommates at Gordon Manor. On Monday, they got to visit outside with Yolanda's son, Dennis Baldini, for the first time since November.
Dennis, how relieved are you to know that your mother and your aunt are now vaccinated?
Oh, very relieved. Although, honestly, I think they're safer in here than I am out there.
That's because Mallari Tu is taking no chances.
Because I have responsibility for Gordon Manor, I need to step up and figure it out. I can't wait. I can't wait for people to come save me.
And Mallari Tu says her residents will get their second dose later this month. She is relieved, but she's also worried for seniors who are home alone and don't have anyone in their corner fighting for their shot at the vaccine. Anne Marie?
All right, I'll take it, Jonathan. Thank you very much.